What's up, y'all? And we're back with another video of putting y'all on. So what's up, y'all? Y'all know when I'm in this setting, I'm definitely about to put y'all on. Whether it's big or small, I'm always here to share what works for me, so hopefully it can work for you. And one of the reasons why I wanted to come on here today was because I wanted to let y'all know what is working for me with getting more viewers and more subscribers, okay? And it really works. You can just tell, and you'll find out in the video, how you can tell. And the first and most important thing I always, and I talked about it last time, was the titles. I definitely paid attention on seeing how, the titles are what are getting, those views. So what I'm saying is, like, basically you want title outliers. So when I say that, I'm saying you want to go to videos that are small content creators, and like us, small content creators. You want to go to their videos and you want to see how well it did, how many views they got. If it got a lot of views, check their title out and use that same title, and make sure you watch the video. So make sure you watch the video from that title and put your own spin to it. Do a video with that same title and put your own spin to it. Okay, it works. I'm telling you, these small content creators are definitely getting to the bag by doing this, okay? And like I said before, we all want to do our own thing and, this and that. That's cool, but you could put your own spin off of somebody else's title, okay? Because we're here to win, you feel me? And, it's cool to be authentic. We could do that when we get up there, you know what I'm saying? But right now, we small content creators, so we got to get there first. So definitely, I would say the titles are definitely important. That's something that I can't stress enough. That's why I mentioned it in my last video. It's definitely a winner. So that's definitely titles. Another thing is I made sure to make my banner more professional, because I didn't even have a banner at one point. If you've been rocking with me for a little bit, you would see that I didn't even have a banner at one point. So you want to make sure that your banner looks professional. And the reason why I say that is it just looks better. If you notice, when you go to other people's pages, small content creators, big content creators, they all have a banner. And their banner, it don't necessarily have to match with the profile pic, but it should be some type of similarity there. For instance, me personally, I want to fix my profile pic. Just haven't got there yet. So I'm still working on that as well. But yes, you definitely want to change your profile pic and make sure you have a professional banner. Important. And I keep saying small content creators because that's what we are, y'all. We're trying to get there. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking at videos just like y'all looking at my video right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming on to these videos to see what they're doing, what works for them. Because what works for them will work for you too. Okay? But I say small content creators because, we have to find out what works so that we can get there. So for instance, like for us small content creators, we have to promote videos that work. Whereas these larger content creators, they already built their following. So they don't have to go about what works. They're doing what works. And then not for nothing, once they build that following, they could just, do whatever they want in any of their videos because they have a following and people want to see them. So that's why I always say we are small content creators, up and coming. Yes, let's get it, y'all. So yes, the banner. Another thing is you want to do and upload your videos on YouTube Studio, for sure. It's just the way to do it. It's a better way for you to be able to manage your videos, edit your videos, everything. It's better working with YouTube Studio than it is with just the YouTube app. It's way more advanced, more things that you can do. Also, you can check your analytics, which is also a great thing, because on your analytics, you can see like how many subscribers are coming, like when you're getting likes. It also updates quicker than YouTube app. YouTube Studio definitely updates quicker. Like I've seen the other day where I had gained a follower, gained a subscriber, gained a subscriber, and I seen it on YouTube Studio before I seen it on YouTube. So basically, like on my YouTube, it showed that I think I had 66 or something, and then when I looked on there, it was 67 on YouTube Studio. So it updates quicker as well. It's just more advanced, y'all. You can edit. You can also see like you can see what videos, you know, kind of are bringing in your subscribers, like off of them, like maybe liking your video and then now your subscribers are going up. Like you can see that in your analytics. Like for instance, like my Omegle video, I seen that I was getting like, you know, likes, but also getting subscribers. So I'm like, oh, they like that video. That's where the subscribers was coming through. So that's pretty dope. And then just speaking of Omegle, interacting videos are really good. It's interesting. People want to see you, you know, engaging with others. So like for instance, Omegle is a perfect way. Like that's kind of like a little, you know, little cheat code that, you know, Omegle OME TV is a way for me to interact with others just randomly on a website that, you know, is people from all over the world, different countries. You can set your country, whatever, and you can, you know, chat with other people, and it's random. You can skip them, you can stay there and talk to them. It's really a good thing for engagement because it's random. You don't know, you know, and truthfully, I just feed off the other person, whoever comes. And yes, there is a lot of like younger crowd on there, like kids, like, you know, they be in their teens and stuff, but it's not just for kids. Like there be adults on there too, but it's not just for kids. It's just that, you know, kids are the one that found it first. Just like Facebook, for instance, when we all got on Facebook, that was for college students. Like Facebook was not this big platform that now everybody's on. I'm talking about aunts, uncles, you know, everybody, moms, dads. At this point, everybody know about Facebook. Okay, so that's like just period. And the kids found it first. The college students found it first. And just like OME, it's the younger crowd that found it first. That's all. But it do be other people on there. But it's a really good joint. You definitely get some good interacting footage from that. So I definitely love doing that, which is great. And then, you know, I had my interacting video with my best friend. You know, we did like a story time. We went to an event together. Like those type of things get views too, because you're interacting with other. It's not just you. And another thing is I also want to stress, you know, your description on your channel. You want that to say exactly what your channel is going to be about. Exactly what you're going to do. That first sentence in your description needs to be what you're doing in your channel. And for me personally, mine's is entertainment as well as informational. So I'm putting y'all on, but I'm also got some entertaining going on too. Okay, and then more will come with that, you know. But as of right now, yes, I do entertainment and informational things. And truthfully, like this right here would be informational. You know, I'm sitting down telling y'all, trying to help y'all, you know, whatever, you know, what was helping me tell y'all, and so maybe it can help y'all. But yes, definitely make sure your description is A1. You know, and again, like nobody's perfect, right? We all trying to get it. So, you know, do it to the best of how you feel, but look at other people's description and, you know, and see how much following or subscribers they got, or, you know, how much how many viewers they're getting on their videos, you know, and just make it work from there. But definitely, yes, interacting videos, descriptions, but yet interacting and informational videos are definitely the way to do it. And if something is working for y'all, make a video and say what is working for y'all, because we want to know. You know what I'm saying? People literally come, and that's the thing, people come to YouTube for entertainment as well as informational. There's a lot of people that come to YouTube for how to do things. You know, just even not just even how to, just how to and how it is to do this or experience this place, or like it's just it's so much information on YouTube that you could literally just go and look up anything on YouTube, whatever it is that you're trying to do and that you want to learn to do, or, you know, travel, anything, it's on YouTube. So that's why it's good. Travel content too is good to do, you know, it's definitely a strong thing to do. So yes, I wanted to speak about that, interacting, having informational videos. Another thing I noticed, back to YouTube Studio, I seen that I had gained like 13 subscribers in 29 days. So like, you can see that in your analytics. That's why YouTube Studio is very important. Not to bounce around, but just to go back, I just don't want to miss anything. I want to make sure that I'm definitely letting y'all know everything that I'm trying to talk about. And another thing that also helps with more content as well is going live. So for me, I will go live sometimes, and I'll record it, and then I'll go ahead and post it as content, which is great because again, that's more content. And usually when I'm going live, I'm doing it with others, like, so it's more engagement. Just like the Eagles Parade video that I dropped, you know, that was big around that time, and it was nothing but interacting. It was nothing but people around me. It was just really good content. So that's definitely something that works. Definitely something that is a strong thing that I like to do, actually, because I also like to go live. So I think it just works out, and it's like a win-win. You can go live, and you can also go ahead and post it on your YouTube. And then if you go live on YouTube, you know, it automatically saves, and you can, you know, upload it. You can edit it, do whatever you want to do to it, but you can upload it as well. And that's more content. So yes, I definitely just wanted to come on here and let y'all know, you know, have a little sit down one-on-one and let y'all know, you know, what's working for me. You know, I hope it works for y'all. You know, we all out here trying to win. So I want to just run it by. So though, you know, number one was the titles. Make sure you had those titles right. You know, and you get them from them small content creators that have a lot of views. Don't go to the Kasnat or the Drewski. Like, don't, they're on already, all right? They have their following. They already crawled, and now they're walking. You feel me? We're still crawling, y'all. And that's why I say we small content creators, we just out here trying to get it. So we got to do what works. You feel me? So yes, the titles, your banner, make sure you have a professional banner. Definitely your description, that first sentence should definitely say what it is that you're bringing to your channel, for sure. Definitely make sure you use YouTube Studio. You can view your analytics, and you want to upload your videos through YouTube Studio. It's better. There's really no questions asked. It's what you should do. And also interacting videos can help, as well as informational. And I would say informational more than anything else. They're the ones that really do. Like, the people that are getting all these viewers, these small content creators, it is because they're like this, sitting in front of the camera talking to you. Yes, that's what they're doing, and they're getting a lot of views because people want to hear you talk. People want to know what you're about. People want to know what you about to say. Like, they do, and it might not be everybody, but there's people out there that want to. There might be somebody right now that might just look up, like, you know, what can help me get more subscribers or viewers. And I'm telling you, these videos are the ones to do, okay? Definitely. So informational, you know, interacting videos, YouTube Studio. Make sure your banner is professional. Make sure you have your description on point. Make sure, you know, you paying attention to the titles and who has a lot of views on their titles, and use those titles and put your own spin to it. And then you can even go live on YouTube, whatever you go live on, you could record it and use it as content. So thank you, y'all, for rocking out with me. Until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And you already know, this is not the end.